Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 4th of April, Thursday. And today's video I'm going to show an options trade that we got in earlier today, just to show a little bit different side of what we do. Today we only took one trade, and we pulled 9.5 points or 38 ticks out of the market. We had a huge range today, 1548.73 to 1557.53. So definitely a good opportunity to make money. Today the market gapped up ever so slightly, chopped around a little, bought up, sold off, bought up, and then it eventually did sell off, and right into our target area, and bought up off of it later on in the day. Today we took our trade around 10:15, around this level here. We got short, rode it down a little bit, took first profit over here, and second profit we took down here. Then we kind of watched the markets, and kind of wanted to short this, but it was so close to the 12 o'clock time period. I usually don't take trades at that point, and decided not to. 9.5 points is good. I'm happy to make that, and then just come back tomorrow, and that's fine for me. And that's definitely something that each individual trader has to decide for themselves. How many trades do you have to make a day? Do you have to make any trades? For me, I don't have to make any trades at all. And that's really what I'm looking at. I don't really need to make any trades. If I do see some trades, I'll definitely take them. But if I don't take a trade, I'm perfectly okay with that. Now, if a whole week goes by and I haven't taken a trade, there's something definitely wrong, and I'd have to reevaluate. But thankfully that has not happened. So but what I'm trying to say is I'm okay if I don't make a trade. I don't that way you don't force anything. I'm not making a trade for the sake of making a trade. I'm not trying to catch every single trade that I see. I'm not trying to, catch this bottom and this top and this bottom and this top and this bottom and this top, and, even getting more micro, this bottom, this top, this bottom, this top, this bottom, this top, this bottom, this top, this bottom, this top. I'm not trying to catch every single trade. And, it definitely, separates a professional trader from an amateur trader. I remember when I first started trading, I wanted to take every single trade that I saw, and at the end of the month, you've taken tons and tons of trades, 300 to 500 trades, but your P&L is basically sideways or negative, and that's really hurtful. All the commission, eats up the little profit, or eats up the negative profit that you have, and you just have even more negative profit. And that's one of the reasons I do what I do. I try to take minimal trades and make them count. Do they always count? No, I definitely lose money from time to time. But overall, I've learned to wait for the trade, and when you're done, you pounce on it. It's like the tiger in the jungle. He doesn't eat all the time. He'll stalk his prey. And tigers have been known to stalk their prey for half a day, and then they finally, when they make that kill, they eat. But they're very patient, and then when they see their prey, they jump on it. And trading is the same way. You're patient, you're looking for your trade. When you finally see your trade, you jump on it and make the most of it. Because as traders, that's all we really can control, is where we enter the market and where we exit the market. Where the market is going to go is up to the market. You know, we can't make the market go down. You know, you'd have to have like, you know, $20-50 million to be able to do that. You know, for an individual to move the market from here to here, you would need about, you know, probably $50 million, something like that. And the average person does not have that. And that's why I'm saying that's the only thing we can really control. We cannot control the market. Just, you know, where we enter at and where we exit at. You know, we can enter, we can have a set stop, and then we can have targets. And we can either hit the target or hit the stop. And that's, you know, really what I'm trying to talk about. That's what I'm trying to get at. So hopefully that made sense to you. And I'm going to show a chart of a trade that we got into today. I know this is wrong right here, but I already talked about that. Everybody, you know, in the room already talked about that. But this is supposed to be a 1. This is a 2 here, and then this is the 3. And now we're looking for a 4 up in this area here, this yellow line around 1580. Right now, gold's at 1553.20. You know, so that's a pretty decent move we're looking for. So we took a GLD long options position down here, and you know, now we're looking for it to come up here. You know, those are the trades that I like to do. I like to wait on them. When I saw this, I saw a nice bounce. I want to get long because wave 4 is going to be up here. It's not going to be down here. If it's down here, then we're looking very, very weak. You know, I'm looking for this C wave to be done, you know, in the next few weeks probably, and then gold's going to be a very, very big long. So right now, you know, we took this long here looking for this yellow line 1580 in gold. You know, we'll see what happens in that. But you know, I wanted to show that that's one of the options trades that I take. You know, gold is one of the markets that I show. I do 6 markets. The ES, the Dow, the Russell, the Nasdaq, gold, and the US dollar. You know, those are the 6 markets that I track. And you know, usually we will make our options trades based upon what happens. You know, we can trade the spiders for longer term S&P plays. And you know, I'll look to equities as well. Every now and then we'll take a decent size position, and you know, we're short or we're long Apple puts right now. You know, that's one of the things I do like to do. I like to trade a lot in, you know, gold, and we don't really take many dollar trades unless they are you know, the futures. But most of the time, you know, we'll take mostly options on everything, and then the ES will outright trade as far as the futures is concerned. So you know, hopefully you know, what I talked about made a little sense to you, and you enjoyed the little options position there. So with that, thanks for watching. Of course, if you have any questions at all, you know, don't hesitate to email me, support@businesswithtrading.com. And with that, I'll talk with you later. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.